Okay.
Nice to sell this don't go bad when you empty it out.
No. No. And this thing, it's not going to go to master all the way. It'll just go to the proportioning valve. We trip the breaker, or do you unplug the light?
No, he unplugged that because he's got an ugga-dugga.
Oh, we got an ugga-dugga? Okay.
I slipped on. There's the trips.
Let her drain.
That's a good idea.
All right.
And probably just air.
So,
Yeah.
Did they undo this one?
Yeah, this one's undone.
one on each
They
side.
probably
You got to get those
okay.
two. And then once you guys get that, we'll hang this side down, and then we'll pull this whole.
Wow, look at this guy.
We're fishing.
You gotta need to bang that out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably gotta bang that out with a hammer. Damn. We're having a grand
Or a
old
screwdriver.
You got it?
Or a finger.
time. We're gonna pull that in a second.
Okay, number 2.
Oh, you got the other one? Wow, look
There
at
we
this
go.
guy.
All right, let her down.
Oh, dear.
Let her hang.
Wow.
Oh, boy. All right.
You want to zip tie this like the other side?
Yeah.
You gotta get it out.
Oops, don't lose those nuts. Put those there. Look how nasty those are. Good job.
Where's the
Wow,
other one?
gang.
Where's the nut, dude?
Where's the other
Where's
one?
the other nut, Grant?
Should be right around here.
It's on the floor.
There's a washer.
So
Yeah.
there's the washer here.
That came off
there.
one, but not the other,
Oh, that's interesting.
which may be still just hanging on the bottom of the
That's
one.
interesting.
The nut?
No, you grab one of the washers, and then
I got this one. Wait, what's the
did it
other
fly somewhere?
It's gotta be yours.
One is here.
You have one? Oh, then we have
one
one.
of
We
them.
have
Both of
one.
them. Who's
Oh.
got the other one? Peter's got one.
Oh, yeah, I have the. Yeah.
Yeah, there's
You
the
have the other
washers
washer?
and the nuts. There you go. All right, so set them on there.
Does this go, it doesn't matter which way?
Yeah, it doesn't matter right now.
Yeah, this is for safety.
Don't worry about it right now. Okay, boys and
Oh, I
girls.
got my gloves stuck in there. I'm a klutz. I'm a klutz. That's why I was an accountant. I got this on. Here's how to stuff it. Okay, now come it off.
All right.
Oh,
Whoa, oh, Luna! Luna!
Luna,
Girl.
Oh, Luna.
Girl.
you're so pokey.
The pokey little puppy. You remember that book when you were a kid?
Of course.
Yeah.
Golden buck.
Yes!
I had little golden books.
All right, so take a look, boys. Let's get in right here. Look at that bushing. That is cocked. There's nothing left.
Oh,
So this whole assembly is going to come out now.
those get changed?
Nice and heavy. Oh, yeah, we're going to do that too. So, who's feeling frisky?
I'll hold the brake
Oh.
thing.
Because there's a giant nut here. I believe it might be 15 16. Let me see.
I'm gonna get it.
There's a
I need to sock it because we're going to have to do this by hand. This is going to be one of them when they're hand jobbed.
Oh, that doesn't come off.
That comes on?
Yeah, the whole assembly is going to come off, Peter.
Oh my god.
Carefully. Do not drop it.
You can
King.
have it powder coated.
Well, we can clean them at least.
No.
I'm going to ask.
I can't say anything to call.
Powder coat them white.
Well, that way you can put yours on.
Pull the big nut. You don't forget the shim stack.
Do these
They're
come
going
off?
to stay on the.
They'll stay on, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
go ahead. Grab the
No,
whole
but
thing, boys.
yeah, it's stuck on that. Lift it.
You gotta get the bolt to come out.
I
See,
think
this-
you have
this is
to
going with
almost
this.
lay it down a little.
Here, get this
Rather
out.
Oh no,
I'm
maybe.
letting
Oh
these
no,
out.
like that. Wait.
Grant, I'm getting these out.
shims. All
No,
right.
we have to
That's
keep
what
it
our
on this
language-
angle like we have it now, so it can clear this little brown.
Yeah, I
And
see
get
this.
it out. Work it out, boys.
All right. I'll carry the bottom part. You fiddle with that part.
Maybe we should-
Good old tack. There's the shimmies.
Yours out of
There's another shim back here.
Yeah, but you're stuck up in the top here.
Oh yeah, I feel it.
You gotta go up and down and wiggle it.
just a little bit.
Yep. There you go.
Hold on.
Not a one-person job.
No.
Do a little side forward to back.
There you go.
Oh,
And it's
All
out.
right.
Where's our box?
Let's get all the shims.
Shims. Here's another shim. Grant.
Not
Careful. Don't put the studs at the bottom because it will poke through.
Oh, you're right.
Rotate that.
Oh,
Carefully. There you go.
should we put the
Yep.
rotor?
Put the shims in there.
not.
Nut
Should-
that we're gonna need.
Right, that goes
Look
here.
at that, boys and girls.
Wow.
Should we put the rotor
Look at that.
on as well, or the whatever this
The
thing's
drum.
drum?
You don't want it to get dirty.
Oh, this is you're gonna need that too. That goes
Yeah.
from this
Oh, put that in the
box.
Peter.
Just put it, yeah, it's a safety.
Yeah, there. All right. All right. Let's do a time check.